Okay, you noticed before that we are getting like some error here. It says that this crypto profile or crypto market data are undefined. This is because we didn't initialize or we didn't give type for those variables. So in that way, ESLint is going to show you an error here. So for that, we need to fix this and give a type for crypto profile and crypto market data. So all of these types I created, like if you remember the model which we used and we called it crypto, I created a type which is called a crypto profile, and this crypto profile has the properties which I needed to use in the application here. So I used for name, symbol, and also I used for general overview and also like another information about the overview and also the project details. So for that, we are going to define those properties and what type of them are coming from the backend. For example, the name is coming as a string, symbol as string, and also the same for general overview tagline. It's very important to follow that structure. So I have here general, and then like I would say profile, general, overview, tagline. So here I am missing something. I must put it also inside something called profile. So this profile will be an object and I close that object as well. Profile, general, overview, tagline. It's exactly the same sequence here. So the same thing, we are going to create an initialization variable. So this initialization variable is going to initialize the state which we need for our application or for our constant which we defined previously. So I will say here like I have another constant I exported. I call it crypto profile init, and then you need in the initialization of the constants or state constants, so for example crypto profile, to use that variable which you define, crypto profile init. So let's import it by pressing Ctrl space or Ctrl dot, and then it will be automatically imported from the models crypto. So as you see here now that okay, it's imported and we are not having the errors anymore here. So this is because that crypto profile has this type and it has initial state. The initial state, which is crypto profile init, and it has type crypto profile, and those fields are initialized and defined. The same thing we are going to make for crypto market data. I have market data, price USD, percent change USD last 1 hour, and also we will have another one for 24 hours. And it's very important to see the type which is coming from the backend. For example, the price is coming as a number, here also number, and also the last 24 hour as a number. And then you can initialize them easily with 0. So we will have here initialization as a 0. So let's check again. We have crypto price USD, and we have another one which is 24 hours, okay, percentage, all of those information we have. And then we use that constant which we define as well in the initialization of the state for the market data. So I will put here as well crypto market data init, and then Ctrl dot, and then we are able to import it and we don't have errors anymore like in the prices. Okay, there are still some errors, let's say where, because we didn't also add this background and background detail. So we need first to add the project detail to the profile. So I will go here and the project detail, where is it? Let's say, okay, overview, project detail. So inside the overview, and then we will have this initialization, and then we need to define it as a string as well. So exactly what we used from the API. You don't have to bring all the API like how to say members or class members or for example fields. You just need to use what you need. So in that way you are not going to get those errors. Okay, this error is gone, and we will have another which is called general, under general background. So we will need another field, so not this one, it will be here. So we will have another one which is called, like, let's say like this, gen background, and then we will say in the background we have another, it's called background details, and it will be string as well. And the same thing, we need to initialize it. So it says here that, okay, property background is missing, so we need to add it as well. So I will say here like the same thing. So inside under overview, instead of string, I will say here like initialization as empty string. So now our page doesn't have any errors, and the typing is fine, and our application is running smoothly without any problems.